Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Hallmark Go, quick fix step by step clearly. To activate Hallmark Go, start by opening your preferred web browser. Go to the Hallmark channel website. Locate the sign in option on the upper right corner of the page. Click on sign in to access your account. If you don't have an account, click join now to create one. Enter your email and password to log in. Once logged in, navigate to the Activate or Manage Devices section. You will see a list of compatible devices. Select the device you want to activate. Follow the on-screen instructions to generate an activation code. Now, grab your streaming device or smart TV. Open the Hallmark Go app on that device. If you don't have the app, download it from your device's app store. After opening the app, select the Sign In option. You will be prompted to enter the activation code from your web browser. Type the code carefully and click Submit. Wait for a confirmation message indicating successful activation. Once activated, you can start streaming Hallmark Go content. If you encounter any issues, refer to the troubleshooting section on the website for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.